What's up, guys? Stock Catcher here. Another video today. Not something I usually do, but this is massive news, guys. If you're a trader watching this video and you trade in America or you day trade with a smaller account, this is actually game changing, where it could be completely life altering. So basically, you used to need to have $25,000 in a trading account to be able to trade as much as you want, margin account. I've been hearing, and I was actually gonna make this video yesterday, but yesterday I was really busy. That's why you didn't really see me posting a video. But now they're trying to push it down to $2,000. That's a massive change. So anybody that has $2,000 can now trade as if they had 25K, which is gonna be life changing, because think about it. If you were watching this video, and most people, it's really hard for them to save up that much money to have $25,000. You could only trade up to 3 times a week, and that may seem like that's not even a lot. That's really bad in my opinion, because that means you could trade less than one trade a day, because there's 5 trading days in a week, right? So if you could only trade 3 times a day, 3 times a week, and you have less than the account, you're gonna get blocked. You're gonna get banned from the day trading. So once this change happens, this is my opinion, where I think this will happen, where you're gonna see a huge monumental increase in traders, similar to the time during 2020. Remember that time? You saw just moves just ripping 1,000%, just golden times of small caps. You're gonna see again, in my opinion. If this passes, it's not guaranteed that it's gonna go through, but in my opinion, it will. Because remember earlier this year, or was it last year, they talked about the cash account T plus the trade settlement change, and I believe that went through, right? So if this change goes through, which I think it will, I think 80% it will, you're gonna see just a massive volume increase, which is amazing. If you're a trader and you know how to trade, volume is everything. I say every video. So imagine the similar time to 2020, you see just pouring in volume. You're gonna see these price action that's just pulling away better, and you're just gonna see a lot more supernovas, a lot more breakouts, and this is gonna be crazy, guys. Liquidity is gonna be crazy. So if you're watching this video, I recommend you keep studying. Everything I say with videos is not financial advice, but imagine you study, prepare. So next year, I think by next year, this time, if this does pass, it's gonna be active, right? The $2,000 is gonna be active this time next year, in my opinion. So that's 1 year, which is a lot and not a lot at the same time, because it's a lot in the sense that if you grind and you study and you prepare for 1 whole year, that could seriously set you up for life. But if you think of it from a macro perspective, like 50, 100, 50 years, 1 year is really small period of time. It's just gonna fly by. Snap your fingers and 1 year is gone. So it's gonna come sooner than I think. And if this does end up happening, which I think it will, like I said, 80% chance it will, this is gonna be really good for the people that really want to start day trading. And you're gonna see a lot more people interested in this as well. So if you guys are interested in trading, I recommend you watch the videos and just study. And I actually have a link where you could, I believe you get free stocks, and I get free stocks. And I wasn't sponsored by they didn't pay me to make this video, but I used this broker, Webull. And if you use the link to sign up, I believe we both get free stocks. It's like a referral type of thing. You know what I mean? Like you get free stocks, I get free stocks. And this is a pretty clean broker. I've used many brokers in my past, and I like Webull because many reasons. First of all, they have trading starting at 4 a.m., which is really important, because you see these massive moves up happen in pre-market, like gap ups. You know what I mean? When a stock makes a big move, big squeeze, and then the previous day it just ends up ripping open at 4 a.m. a lot higher. Like you saw earlier in the video, remember what was that stock? Vape. It ran like 2,000+% in the pre-market. That's the first reason. Second reason, the charts are really easy to use, and they look really colorful. In my opinion, they look kind of pretty. Like Webull, compared to other chart brokers, I've used a lot, guys. Trust me when I say I've used a lot of trading brokers. And Webull is just one that I've started using in the beginning, right? I'm just stuck with it. I really like the charts. I like the candlesticks. And it's really simple to use as well. The mobile app is really good as well. The mobile app, if you're a phone trader. And customer service could be kind of better. If I call them, it takes like an hour for them to pick up. That's the bad thing. But other than that, I don't really see anything bad about Webull, right? The execution time, some people say, is kind of slower. But in my experience, unless you're like very fast trader, like like warrior trading, that guy, he makes like so many trades in a very quick like second, like nanoseconds. Unless you do that, it really doesn't make a difference in my opinion. So if you're interested, guys, you could sign up using my link below, and we both get free stocks. I think I gotta double check though, but I'm pretty sure you also get it and I also get it. So yeah, guys, that's the video, guys. I'm really excited, seriously, for the coming years in day trading, guys. There's gonna be a lot of people getting into this, in my opinion. And this bank, guys, stock catchers, anyhow. And have a great night.